Hi guys, in this video I show you the practical of Burp Suite proxy. Okay, so this is the main purpose of Burp Suite because as I already stated, Burp Suite is a proxy tool. It will intercept ongoing traffic from your browser to website. So if I write something here like mintra.com, it's a website. I want to go on that website, but intercept is on. So what is intercept? Intercept is an option from which you can turn on your proxy interceptions and turn off your proxy interception off. Okay, so this is on. So Burp Suite will intercept everything that is going from your browser to applications. Okay, if I click on this, you will see the request that I made from my browser is recorded here. Okay, so this is intercepted here. I can send it to intruder, repeater, sequencer, comparer, decoder, and many other things I can do with this request. Okay, so I just forward it and look for a more particular request like this one. So I need this request, so whatever I want to do with this I can do. So that's a practical uses of Burp Suite. In the next videos we will learn about every tab and every sub tool of Burp Suite. So thank you guys.